Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to show you what is in my purse, how I keep it witchy, okay? You guys know me. If you don't know me, I am quite the witchy gal. So I like to keep that on the go when I'm out with my purse. So I just changed purses so it is clean for you guys, organized and everything. So yeah, my name is Luna. If you don't know me, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, follow me on all my socials. Let's be friends. Okay, woo! Let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Oh, I'm filming this on the solstice, guys. Happy solstice, happy Yule. And you guys will see this. It'll be like Christmas Day time. I don't know. It's Thursday. Christmas, probably. So happy Christmas to everyone who celebrates Christmas, and happy Yule to all my Yule folks. So I'm gonna scooch on back, because last time I made one of these videos I got yelled at in the comments for not showing everything clearly enough. Okay, you guys, it has been like probably 8 months since I filmed one of these What's in My Bag videos. I always am changing bags per season and whatnot, so I always like to change it up, like change up my look. And my mom gave me this purse. Thanks, Mom. It's a Michael Kors. I would otherwise not have bought a Michael Kors. I don't know what kind this is, but I'll put it in the description box if you guys are interested in it. It's got one of the crossbody things, which I enjoy that a lot. Well, actually, it's kind of short for a crossbody, so maybe it's just the shoulder. And then the two little things. This is my favorite style of purse. I just really like the aesthetics of it, but also it's just really cute. And it's very useful for me. Smaller than I'd usually go. My last purse, I have right here actually. This is my last purse, and it's just like big. So we sized down for the new year. First thing, we have this cute little owl. I got this at my local metaphysical store. A lady in town makes them, and I really love him. Feels like a good luck charm, so I just tied him on here with some twine. And then I have this little rainbow thing that I got from Goddess Provisions, and just to like keep me happy. It's black. I love black purses, but I also wanted to incorporate some color. So yeah, I love my owl so much, and my rainbow. Okay, opening it up, it's actually like pretty narrow. I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. It does have two little side compartments and then a zipper compartment on the other side. So going into the side compartments, I have one of these butterfly clippies. You guys can see, I'm gonna scoot forward for this portion, because we're in it now. Unless that lady comes back and yells at me again. Okay, so I have this butterfly clip. That's what it looks like. I just like to always have my hair half back. Don't know why, it's like a weird personal preference. I have a knife. I like to keep a knife on me because, I don't know, you need knives for many reasons. Sometimes you have to open a package and you have very small hands, and sometimes, you know, maybe men stare at you at the gas station. So keep these on hand. I have some lavender sage spray, so just a little bit. It's $7. I got it at my local metaphysical store. I want to start making my own because it's just moon water, sage oil, and lavender oil, and I constantly am making moon water. So yeah, I just spray this around my aura. I spray this around me if I'm in a place that is not so positive, or maybe has a lot of aggressive energy, or I'm around people, especially during the holidays, you guys. You know, Thanksgiving dinner, all the family drama. Just spray your uncle. Just literally spray everyone who's being mean to you, and then spray yourself. And then just be happy. That's all it is, guys. That's all it is. So I bring that with me everywhere. There's always someone with negative energy somewhere. I then have my glasses. I love these. Everything looks so pretty, and I love it. And they're cute. They're like very 70s. So I really like these a lot. Hasn't been sunny here too much, so waiting for those days to come back. Then I have my vape. So no worries, just sometimes have to vape, you know what I mean? Then I have my flashlight. Wow. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll be in the dark sometimes. Then I have this. This is Chapstick. This is, what brand is this from? This is from Crazy Rumors. I did get this in a Goddess Provisions box. It was random, and I randomly got Pisces. I have a ton of Pisces in my chart, including a Pisces moon. So, lots of Pisces energy running deep, and it smells really good. I'll put some on. I'm so happy I didn't get like Virgo or something. I guess I do have some Virgo. I'm honestly mainly, guess real quick, before I tell you, pause this video, write down my big three, and then think about what I'm mainly. Look at me, think, question it, and then let me know in the comments. I'm always interested to see what people think I am. I will tell you now, okay? So I am mainly Aries, Aquarius, and Pisces. I have a Taurus rising, an Aries sun, and a Pisces moon, but I just have a lot of Aquarius, a lot of Aries. I have so much Aries, and a lot of Pisces. I'm gonna grab my big things now. Big thing number one is this journal I got from Earthbound, and this is where I write my songs in, but I'm also keeping it in my purse because sometimes I just think of something and I need to write it down, and I so much prefer writing it over putting it in my phone. I just really don't vibe with that. Have my card wallet that I got from Goddess Provisions. Have my cards in here. No money because we're poor. And then I have this tarot deck that my friend Dakota gave me. It was the first deck that I've ever been gifted, and I haven't used it yet. I got it on Halloween. I've been letting it sit on my altar, getting to know me, getting to know my energy, and so I'm gonna keep him on me for a little bit, and then I'm thinking we're just gonna start pulling some cards from him, but I just wanna like warm up to him and like, you know, just like get into each other's energy, because my other decks I am completely acquainted with, and the energy is great and everything, but this one's new, and so I just like to take it slow, take it easy, get acquainted so that we are connected. Next, I have this lotion, and you really can't see anymore because it's kind of rubbed off. I've had it for a minute. This is the Witch Baby Soap Cancer Body Butter. I got this during Cancer season, obviously. I'm not a Cancer. I have my IC in Cancer, I think. It smells really good. It's the birthday cake edition, and it has a Hematite Stone inside of there. Do not know if you can see it very well. I love these lotions because there's always a stone, and I just like to rub the lotion on the stone and like get all the energy in there. It's really good, and it's a beautiful smelling lotion, and yeah, I just like to have lotion on me. I have really dry skin, and it's obviously really cold right now, and there's nothing worse than like being stuck in public and you have dry lips or dry skin and you're just like, holy shit, I wish I had lotion or chapstick. Came prepared, so we're prepared for everything now. Next, we have a scrunchie. I like scrunchies. I like to put my hair up a lot, so typical me. Ooh, that fell out. So my zip pop, we'll get there in a second. Jesus Christ. I have 2 bags. Sounds like too much. I have 2 bags of crystals, which I know sounds like too much, but alas, here we are. First one is this light pink organza bag, and I have some rose petals in there that I collected from my rose bush, and they have dwindled quite small, but I still keep them in there. And these are just the crystals that I have on me currently. We have a desert rose, whoop, desert rose stone. We have, oh, I forget what this one is called, but I'm gonna put this on my wand when I construct my wand. So I wanted to get the energies connected. I'll have to look up what that is called, but I just felt super connected to that one. I have a Hematite Stone. I can never pronounce this. Chrysocolla? I think it's Chrysocolla, I don't know. You guys can help me with the pronunciation in the chat if you'd like. And then finally, I always forget what this is called as well. If you guys know, let me know. I don't know. So that's in my pink bag. And then I got this bag from my Witchy one box, and I just think it's so cute. I like to put my jewelry in here when I'm traveling just because it's a little bit more secure, I think. I have an obsidian. I have an angel aura quartz, which is my favorite stone of all time. Keep that Pisces energy for sure. And, oh, I have 2 more. This, ooh, what is this? Is this fluorite? I don't think so. Help. I don't know what this is. This is green. I don't know. And then this pink one, which I don't know what this is either. If you guys know, let me know. I just felt like the energy was necessary, so I threw these in here from my collection. And then I have my pendulum in here, little velvet bag. I like to do lots of chakra, analyzing your chakras with the pendulum on my friends, so it's just easy to bring this one. This is like my travel pendulum. I love him very much. He was my first one. So I just like, I don't know, I feel the need to keep one on me. Seems like a weird need, but it's how it is. And then I just have some dry shampoo because I feel like if my bangs get even a bit oily that it's just so obvious and really weird. So I just don't like that to happen. And then this is the Serif Essential Oil from Goddess Provisions. I just like the smell of this, and I oftentimes forget to put on perfume, and if I do want some, then I put this on. It's also supposed to help your like psychic abilities kind of come out a little bit more. And lastly is this zipper pocket. Ooh, zipper pocket. And I have my headphones, which are a tangly mess, and a bunch of pins because I always need pins. So I have colored pins, and then I just have some black pins. But yeah, so that is my Witchy purse. And that is all today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy winter solstice, happy Yule, happy Christmas time, happy Hanukkah, happy like whatever you celebrate. You guys are awesome. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it wasn't too all over the place. I tend to be quite all over the place. But yeah, thank you guys all so much. Happy season, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!